Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop your WhatsApp from auto-downloading media. So to do that, open your WhatsApp app, go to settings, scroll down and click on storage and data. All the way down you're going to see media auto-download. So I have to uncheck the box. I'll go to connected to Wi-Fi, uncheck all the box. So right now you have full control when somebody sends you a media, whether picture or music or videos. You have to manually click on download for it to be downloaded on your WhatsApp. So that's how you stop WhatsApp from auto-downloading media. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.